Now it's time for a bonus tip. If you want to follow any timetable, then don't run after perfection. Hey there, this is me SAFURA RAHEEM. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Master Your English, Learn with Fun. Today we will be taking up the request sent by Sarah Fatima. So she wanted me to make a video on perfect timetable for class 9th and 10th students. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Perfect timetable or routine for you. Wake up 5 am or 5:30 am. Drink a glass of water with handful of nuts. This will give a great start to your day. Walk or meditate for half an hour or till 6 to 6:45 am. After that, a 30-minute revision of yesterday's learned part. This will help you to memorize or remember that particular information for a longer period of time. Then, breakfast. Have a healthy breakfast. After this, roughly around 8 to 8:30 you will leave for school, and maybe a rough estimate your school timings are from 8:30 to 4 pm, I guess. Have a healthy lunch in between and focus on your lectures and studies. If you're having good amount of energy, then only you will be able to perform well, so eat nutritious food. After reaching home, have some healthy snacks, and typically around 4 to 5 pm I think it's your tuition time. If you go for tuition as well, then I'll just put aside this time from our schedule, or if you don't go for tuitions, do your homeworks in this time. And you can modify this timetable to suit your requirements and according to your schedule. Then have a break till 6:30, sit with your family, play with your friends, or do whatever you like and have fun in this time. Then from 6:30 to 9:30 you have to sit for your studies. It can be divided into 3 slots of 50 minutes with a 10-minute breaks in between. Now it's upon you to divide 3 subjects accordingly, daily routine, and start learning. If you want to make mind maps, flashcards, tables, you can make for longer retention of your concepts which you have just learned. You can do it in this time. Like it's a quick revision before your examinations. And math is a subject which needs daily practice, so slot at least 30 minutes time for maths in these 3 slots. In these 10 minutes breaks that you are taking in between those 3 slots, do not touch your phone. If you are doing, then you're definitely gonna waste your next 1 or 2 hours, and I don't want you to do that. Better you just get up from your place, drink some water, just get some fresh air. Then after 9:30, have a break, chit chat with your friends, take phone, and also pack your bag for the next day and organize your stuff as well. After that, have your dinner meal, walk for 5 minutes after your meal. Now, this is the time. If you're finding something difficult to study, just give it a glance and a clear understanding before you sleep. Your subconscious mind will work on it and it will transfer into longer retention period memory of yours. And thus, you will remember it for a longer period of time. Easy. Then, after this, no screen time before 30 minutes of bed. Just chill, have a calm mind, and go to bed. And also appreciate yourself that you did your best for the day, and it will give a boost to what you are going to do the next day. Now it's time for a bonus tip. If you want to follow any timetable, then don't run after perfection, because no one can do it whole perfectly. Just be disciplined and consistent. You will see remarkable results in your productivity day by day. And if you want a separate video on how to follow timetable, then do let me know right there in the comment section, because there is a whole different theory on how to follow your timetable. So if you want to know more about it, then do let me know. So this was all from my side, and hope this was helpful to you, and if you follow this with discipline, then it will definitely help you succeed. Give me a thumbs up if you like my work. I do love to hear from you. Comment below if you like the video and share it with your friends.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.